So when you've made your square, you're going to have a lot of tails to sew in. So I'm just going to do a quick demo on how to sew in your ends securely that are neat and tidy. A lot of people sew them in but they're shy cutting them, and they cut them a little bit long and then that end still pokes out, or they overdo it and make a lumpy clump. So here's my method, and I hope you like it and use it. I'm going to show you one example of how you can improve your work. I've got a knot here on this side, the right side, so one of these tails is poking through. Thread your needle. You want to bring that knot back through as much as possible, so give it a good tug and tug it through. Find the blue row. The blue row is hiding under this navy row. So we're just going to take our needle and pass it as far along, hopefully all the way under here, and pull quite tight but not so much that it distorts the work. And then just obviously not going exactly back where we came from, but skip one and just pick up a little and a little and a little. And if you can, the very last one, split the stitch so that it tucks it close, and that's it. Cut that as close as you dare, and that's that one sewn in. For example, here, the green, you've got gaps here. That's a tricky one. So I'm just going to show you what I do. Thread your needle, take it through and underneath the yellow. Here I'm going to also catch a little bit of the green, tuck it through that way, and pull. Again, not too tight. Go back the way I came, all but one, and split the last stitch so that it holds it snug. I'm definitely not going through all the way to the other side, of course, because you would see that. So that's that green one made. And so on. Let me do one more. Here's a nice one. Normally I find it easier to work the tails from the outside in, but actually in this project I find it easier to work from the inside right back out. Who knows why, but that's the way it is. So I know that the green row is actually living under the hot pink here, so I'm going to tuck it under little and a little and a little. Make sure I've got green on green, under the pink, under the pink, under the pink. Okay, out that way, give it a wee tug. Make sure that's quite far at the end and hold on to it. Turn and come back. And snip that close. Do one more, just in case that wasn't clear. Take it this direction. Under the pink, under the pink, under the pink. Pull that snug. And it might bear to give a little glance to see what's happening around this side. You don't want anything poking out. Come under, 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 and try to find a thickish bit that you can split at the end. And tease it back out before you finally cut. And you'll keep doing that until all the ends are sewn in. This is what a previous one looked like. That's the back side, so I've sewn all my ends and you can hardly see them, I think. If you turn it over to this side, to the right side, you can't see them at all in the joins. You know, you can't see, hopefully, anywhere. Not that it's the end of the world, but you can't really tell that it was ever a seam. You can't see the joins either on the front or the back. Not bad. Wee bit maybe. Places don't look too hard. Thank you. So that's how you sew in your ends. It's not that hard. Don't overcomplicate it. Take your needle all the way one way and all but one all the way back, and snip it close. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.